Things to keep in mind. Congratulations on reaching the end of your Mizzou Academy student orientation. You just read through a lot of information. In fact, you've taken in more information than you can remember. That's why we want you to remember this resource is here. Anytime you have questions about navigating Canvas, submitting assignments, or where to go for help, come back to this course and look at the modules. They will tell you what to do. Before you start your first course, we'd like you to keep these 5 ideas in mind. Take a look and then complete the I'm ready to start quiz. Don't worry, you can't go wrong on this one. Then you'll begin your journey as a Mizzou Academy scholar. Pace yourself. Successful students also use specific strategies to manage their time. This includes using a calendar, adopting a pacing plan, and using backward planning from big projects or assessments. It doesn't matter which organization system you use as much as it matters that you use what works for you. Some of us prefer a good old paper and pencil agenda. Some of us tape Post-it notes all over our study space. Some of us put everything on Google Calendar. Find the system that works for you and use it. See our Scholarly Practices module for tips to help you design a pacing plan. Use the creative process. Writing process. The writing process is a strategy to use to move from your first general ideas to a full, finished writing piece. The job of the writing process is to reduce worry and stress. By using the process, you don't feel pressured to create a final, perfect piece the first time you write it. You know that you have time to develop it over time until it is just the way you like it. Steps in the creative writing process. Brainstorm. Generate lots of ideas. Choose and organize ideas in your pre-write. Compose the first draft. Revise to make thoughtful changes to your writing. Edit to correct your grammar and spelling. And then publish your work. The writing process isn't just for English language arts courses, however. You might also call it a creative process, a strategy to use anytime you complete work. We're not just aiming for a good grade, we're aiming to be the best critical and creative thinkers we can be. If you are able to do well in just one draft or assignment attempt, how much more can you develop if you try a new approach? Recognize growth as you strengthen your communication. In what ways can you stretch to reach higher levels of thinking and writing? Then, developing work becomes a life skill that will serve you well as you approach other types of challenges. Build on your strengths. Learning is a process. It's natural to want good grades and to do your best. It's also natural not to know everything at one time. We all have areas in which we want to learn and grow. As you complete your courses, focus on what you are learning and how you can develop your skills. Carefully review the rubrics and feedback to see where you are doing well and what you can focus on improving. Mizzou Academy feedback is designed to celebrate your strengths and give specific feedback for how to approach future work. Hang out in the Learning Library. Our Learning Library is a living, growing resource full of helpful strategies to support your learning. You can always find the Learning Library by clicking the icon on the left side of your navigation bar. Check it out often to learn more about wellness, exam prep, how to write paragraphs and essays, and about growth mindset. Your instructors want to hear from you. Finally, remember that our Mizzou Academy team is here for you. Education is about more than learning content, doing projects, and taking tests. How you communicate with and treat others in an online community is one of the most important strategies you can build. Contact us at any time that you have questions, ideas, and celebrations to share. We want to hear from you.